In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Adobe Express. To get started, open your project in Adobe Express so you can work directly on the design you want to update. Once your project is open, locate the image you want to resize and click on it to select it. This is important because Adobe Express needs to know which element you're editing before the resize controls will appear. After selecting the image, look for the handles around its edges. If you want to make the image larger or smaller while keeping it in the same general proportion, use one of the corner handles. Click and drag a corner inward to reduce the size of the image, or drag it outward to enlarge it. This is usually the easiest and safest way to resize an image, especially if you want it to look natural and not appear stretched. As you drag, pay attention to how the image fits within your design. Resizing from the corner is helpful when you want to scale the image evenly and preserve its original look. If your goal is simply to make the image take up more or less space on the page, this is the method you'll probably use most often. If you want to change the image's proportions, you'll need to use a different type of handle. Instead of dragging from a corner, drag a side handle or a top or bottom handle. This will adjust the height or width independently, which can be useful if you're trying to make the image fit a particular area of your layout. Just keep in mind that changing proportions can alter the way the image looks, so it's a good idea to make small adjustments and check the result as you go. Once the image is the size you want, reposition it as needed. You can click and drag the image into place so it lines up better with the rest of your design. This final adjustment helps make sure the resized image still looks balanced and intentional within the project. And that's it. That's how to resize an image in Adobe Express. It's a quick process, and once you know the difference between corner handles and side handles, it becomes much easier to control exactly how your image looks. With just a few simple adjustments, you can make your design cleaner, more polished, and better suited to the space you're working with.